and welcome back to La Fouche. If you are someone who wants to learn French but don't know where to start, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll give you a complete roadmap to start learning French from scratch and reach A1 level. I wish that someone had given me this roadmap when I was starting learning French, but you don't worry because we are going to make it easy for you. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. First, let's understand what is A1. A1 is the first level of French and it is for complete beginners. At this level, you learn to introduce yourself, ask simple questions, do simple conversation in different situations like buying vegetables, ordering food, etc. You also learn to talk about your family, to tell the time and describe your daily routine. For example, bonjour, je m'appelle Shweta, j'ai 23 ans et j'habite en Inde. Which means, hello, my name is Shweta Khadwal, I'm 23 years old and I live in India. So this is the type of French that you will be able to learn at this level. Now let's talk about what's the first step to start. So the first step to start learning French is to learn the pronunciation, which includes French alphabets, French accents like A, S, etc., nasal sounds like silent letters, liaison, and French R. This all helps to make your speaking skills very strong from the beginning. And remember to not skip this part because if you do that, you may struggle later in your French learning journey. Right pronunciation helps to build a strong foundation, so practice regularly to master it. Now coming to step 2 where you have to learn basic vocabulary. Vocabulary is a very important part to start learning any language. You should start with greetings, days, months, numbers, colors, family, food, professions, countries, nationalities, and daily routine. These are the vocabularies that come under A1 level and help you to form basic conversation and sentences. You can aim for 10 to 15 words every day. And I would suggest you to write them down in a separate notebook and try to use what you have learned while practicing. The most important point is to learn vocabulary with articles. For example, don't just learn livre, which means book, but learn it as le livre with the article. So now that you have learned basic pronunciation and vocabulary, it's time to move on to the grammar part. But at this level, you don't need to learn the whole grammar at once. This is the order that I would recommend you to follow for the grammar part. First, start with French articles like le, la, les, and une. Now, as I told you before that always learn the vocabulary of nouns with the articles so it becomes easy for you to remember the gender of the nouns. Because gender plays a very important role in French and you will see them in almost every sentence. After that, learn the subject pronouns, which are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, and elle. These are the foundation of a sentence because verbs conjugation changes according to the subject. After that, move on to the verbs. There are 5 important verbs that you must learn to form the basic conversation. These verbs are être means to do, avoir means to have, aller means to go, venir means to come, and faire means to do. After learning these verbs, you should move on to other common verbs like manger, devoir, connaître, prendre, etc. After that, learn the topics like negation, where you form the negative sentences, asking and forming questions, basic adjectives, prepositions, possessive adjectives like mon, ta, leur means my, your, their, etc. And finally, learn how to tell time and dates in French. Once you will learn all these concepts, it will be easy for you to form basic sentences in your day-to-day life. But don't rush to learn everything at once. Take your time and learn one grammar topic at a time, and after that, try to apply that while practicing. So now that you can build the simple sentences, let's move on to talk about all the foundational skills that are really important to learn any language. So here first we have is listening. Many beginners spend hours to learn French grammar and vocabulary, but they hardly give their time for French listening part. Remember, to learn any language, the 4 skills which are reading, writing, speaking, and listening Everything is equally important, so don't skip any part. For listening at this level, I would suggest you to watch French kids cartoon videos and French beginners poems or stories. You can easily find these types of beginner friendly videos on our channel, so watch those videos and improve your listening skills. Now let's talk about one of the most important skill, which is speaking. In the beginning, don't worry about making mistakes and start speaking even if you don't speak correctly. For the speaking, these are the methods that you can follow. First one is start talking to yourself. Start talking to yourself on different topics like your daily routine, your friends, family, or any scenario that have taken place in your life. Along with that, you can record yourself and listen later what you have actually said. Second is to listen any A1 level audio and repeat the exact words and sentences while practicing. Third is if you have any friend who's also learning French, you can start practicing with each other. And fourth is you can use any language learning tool available online or opt for French courses online or offline. The next skill is reading. Reading helps you to improve grammar, vocabulary, spelling, and sentence structure at the same time. As a beginner, start with easy material made for A1 learners, such as beginners' French stories books and children's books with short dialogues in French. While reading, don't stop for every unknown word. Try to understand the overall meaning of the text first. And if a word appears many times, then search it and learn it. You have to read the same text more than once. The first time, try to understand the meaning. The second time, notice the grammar and sentence structure. And the third time, read it loud to improve the pronunciation. Reading aloud is really useful because you are practicing reading and speaking together at the same time. If you read for 15 to 20 minutes every day, you will notice that understanding French becomes more easy. The final language skill that we have is writing. Writing helps you to remember grammar and vocabulary much better because at that time you have an active mind to think about them and use them. In the beginning, start writing very simple sentences. Don't try to write very long essays at this level. Every day, write 5 to 10 sentences on the topics like what you did today, what you ate, what the weather is like, and your plans for tomorrow. Even if you write few sentences every day, you will start improving with the consistency. After writing, check your mistakes with any AI or language tool, and the most important is to learn from your mistakes. Another useful exercise is rewriting, where you have to read any short paragraph and then write it down in your own words. This helps you in your sentence formation and also improves your memory. Writing every day for 10 to 15 minutes will make the grammar part much easier for you. Now, I want to share some learning hacks that will help you to learn French more faster. First one is don't just learn vocabulary. Start using them while speaking or practicing. That's what will help you to remember them easily. Second one is really helpful, which is to change your smartphone's language into French and then you will see French words every day. Third one is instead of translating, start thinking everything in French even if it's not correct. Fourth one is to watch French cartoon videos or any video that interests you in French language with subtitles. And fifth one is listen French while walking, traveling or doing household work. It will save your time. Now you might be wondering what resources you should use to learn French effectively. And if you are following this channel, you have already taken the first step. On La Forêt YouTube channel, you will find beginner-friendly French videos that covers grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, and all the 4 language skills in a structured way. On the other hand, if you prefer to learn with a teacher and want personal guidance, you can also join our online French classes, where experienced trainers guide you step by step according to your level. And if your goal is to study abroad, immigrate, or get an international French certification, La Forêt also offers courses for the preparation of DEL, TEF, and TCF exams. Apart from videos and classes, don't forget to explore our website and blogs where you will find useful articles, grammar explanation, vocabulary tips, and other learning resources that will help you to improve your French. And if you are still unsure where to begin, you can always book a demo class to understand our teaching approach and choose the course that's right for you. I hope that this video helped you to understand exactly how to learn French from scratch. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and start preparing today.